Remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Hey guys, so today I'll be telling you how to make this chair and a table. So these are the pieces you'll be needing. So first take two of these tall pieces, and now you'll take the short pieces, and you'll take these and you'll attach drawers on them. So now we'll add this piece and we're done with the table. For the chair, add the base, then add this piece, and just add these two yellow pieces, and you're done with your chair. So we're done. Okay, and now you can just put it there. So now you can make him sit on the chair and he can work. So thanks for watching. Click here to check out my channel, and click here or in the description to check out my other tutorials. Bye bye.